We're here today to talk about one of iMPakz Solutions product lines. This is a Bitech. It's a very unique substrate. In this case, it's a Kevlar, the Bitech product, and the Bitech family of products with Bitech and Unitech. Bitech, in this case, we're using Kevlar. It's a 090 and has a 0 component and a 90-degree component. It's very easy to handle. You can wad it up, unlike many unidirectional and bidirectional products, and the fibers stay in the appropriate orientation. One of the things that makes this very unique is the process positions the fibers, the high-strength fibers, very consistently compared to the competition, which leads to a very high-performing, lightweight substrate for the armor markets, everything from ballistic protection in armor to boats, canoes, and equestrian helmets and kayak helmets. This is an example of our Unitech product. This is just a 0, as you can see. It's a single layer in a thermoplastic matrix. Again, very user-friendly, can be handled. It's not extremely fragile. This is a Tworon, and another high-strength fiber, airman, and an example of how we can use various high-strength fibers in the process very successfully to achieve our the specific properties that we're looking for. It's an example of another Unitech product. We also can do any of these high-strength fibers as a Unitech or Bitech. This is a ultra-high molecular weight polyethylene, very similar to a Spectra or a Dyneema type fiber. Very high strength, extremely lightweight, very consistent, and again, very user-friendly, can be handled. You don't lose the fiber orientation during your process. You can lay it up in multiple arrangements, and it's very good for high impact situations, very high shear situations. Again, the ballistic armor market, helmets, boats, anywhere where traditional high strength fibers are used. Okay, here's how easy it is, one application in terms of using it. If you're using it for a soft application, you can cut it into whatever panel size. In this case, it's a standard panel size of 15 by 15. And you lay the fabric up into panels. It adheres very readily. It has some tackiness, but you can remove it, and you can layer that up in multiple layers. You can then take those layers and use them in what I call a soft panel arrangement, or once you've layered that up, you can put them in a press. In this case, you can see that it's very rigid. This particular case is some Kevlar. And this is 1 pound per square foot in terms of the weight. And to give you an idea of what a 1 pound per square foot panel like this under standard test methods will do. This is a same type panel at 1 pound, actually 1.018 pounds per square foot. That it's a 44 mag threat, and you know, it's performed very well in terms of V50. This actually at 1 pound exceeded the level 3A requirements for a 44 mag threat. You can see stop all of the penetration, so very good test.